Maganda na yung
Bumawi ka agad for that open layup. Ang gandang cut open. Pass to Mendoza, attacking the basket. Lumbria for that follow-up is good.
UNC Falcons, number 3. That's good.
Easy back sa depensa. Open look on the 3-pointer. Sinagutan sa Falcons.
Good shot. Jumper is good. That's good. That's good. From outside, he plays it in. Number 23, 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘈.
Present. 5 seconds remaining. Getting that 3-pointer coming in. Falcons.
Now it's 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘈. Jumper. Our department will respond to that. That's a 3. That's good. Ulit. At nakuha ng UNC Falcons. That's a good player.
The Falcons is good.
That's good. Kuha muli ng UNC Falcons.
Mendoza getting that 3-pointer.
A steal.
But nandito pa rin sila. Getting that layup na. Mendoza. Getting that open look. Look at that drive. Coming in front.
Our sponsor again, coffee owned by this guy,